Time to try out the dude shower.
Dude showers are great for a quick wipe off, but keep in mind they're about the size of a handkerchief. You also have to be careful and use them in the correct order. Wipe your face, wipe your body, wipe your armpits, and finally you can clean your junk. You won't be able to clean your hair. This is where the home-built shower comes in. These are great for a quick cleanup, but are not a substitute for a good shower, using soap and water. So if you don't want to make your campmates puke in their mouths from the stench of your crotch, do them a favor and use these in between showers. Provident Pathfinders is about finding solutions that don't break the bank for the outdoor enthusiast. Hit subscribe if you like what we're doing here. Thank you.